What if asteroids destroy the Earth tomorrow? Like, is it possible? Yes, but is it worth me thinking? Because can I really stop that anyway? No. There's certain things we should worry about, and this, like, we getting deep in my philosophy bag, but like, for example, the asteroids, I can't stop it. If tomorrow, I can't stop it. That isn't my expertise. That isn't a problem I need to worry about. But guess what? There's somebody that's super passionate about asteroids and all that stuff that's working towards, if there was to be asteroids, how we can move it over so it doesn't hit us. That's their problem they need to think about. Me, I love speaking. I love getting on here. I need to think about how I can be the best speaker possible so I can spark the mind that then stops the asteroids, because they're passionate about them asteroids. We have to understand we got a role. Play your role, man. My role isn't to stop them asteroids, but guess what? I may be able to spark the mind that loves asteroids to chase that dream that then saves the whole world. But if I fixate on, dang it, the asteroids, I'll miss out on my purpose. You know what I'm saying? And so I think it's when we start realizing that we all got our role and it's within what we love to do. So my problem is, how do I get in touch with these kids? How do I embrace them? How do I get to as many schools as possible? That's the problem I need to worry about. Okay? Not even too much, because it'll happen, but that's my problem. But if you try to solve every problem in this world, I promise you, you won't solve one problem.
Bruh, you be snapping, dog. And it's crazy because you really speaking to me. Like, there's probably people in this live that's like, yo, Jamar, I needed that, but like, you don't even understand. Like, I needed that because, bro, it's so much, and I'm sure you feel this sometimes as well. You'll see certain things and you're like, man, I want to change that. I want to help that. But the reality is, sometimes you're not in the position to help that right now.
No.
You gotta focus on your lane. You gotta focus on what you're doing. And if I can be the best speaker that I can be, if I can be the best business owner that I can be, there's so many other things that I can then branch into and help and build up. But right now, if I try to focus on all of those problems right now, like you said, I will miss out on my purpose. Dog,